Earn money by watching videos on YouTube. The easiest make money online method I found. Just to show you something similar, if you go on this website playeractions.com, I have over 6,000 feedback there. And with an average order of 150 bucks, it means I made over $1 million in 9 years. It's a long time. There's a lot of things that go behind it, but it's a very similar method and you learn it only if you stick until the end. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, we have 2 video editors. We try to upload 2 videos every single day because no one else is doing that. We want to take over the niche. Before we start, you gotta subscribe, you gotta like. It won't work otherwise. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something really cool, something really funny, or a YouTube account, Instagram account, your TikTok account. I'll take it, put it from the comments to the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. And I better remove this bottle of water because it's not aesthetically pleasing. So the first thing you gotta do is use a website called addmefast.com. We'll go ahead and register together. We'll get our free 200 points. And so register, typing my email, password. Okay, so now it says my email is confirmed and I got 200 points. I wanna remember my name. Clicking login, of course I agree. Okay, so it's basically a social exchange, and the way you make money from watching YouTube videos is you gotta get points, you gotta go on one of these sections on the left that says free points, and you go over to YouTube views. Get free points by viewing other people's videos. So when you go and click view a video, you go, a pop-up will open up and there will be some YouTube video that will be shown. So you gotta go ahead, watch that for at least 150 seconds, and after that you'll be rewarded with some points. Yes, I got to watch it for 30 seconds. I didn't do that. And then what you need to do is when you gather enough points, you will go ahead, click on add site, Facebook like, and actually sell likes on Facebook or any other platform on this website. It's actually called Player Up. So on Player Up, you can sell Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, and services like this. So if you go ahead on Player Up and click all other games and marketplaces, we should be seeing a lot of offers. If we search for Facebook, we'll see Facebook accounts, Facebook community, Facebook pages, Facebook stars, Facebook shares, Facebook views, Facebook likes. So 1,000 likes cost $10, 50 likes, 50 cents. So what you do is you watch enough videos to actually get enough points to later on sell them for actual money on Player Up and withdraw that. That way you can watch 150 videos a day on YouTube while you wash the dishes, do some chores, go and walk your dog, which I might just do now, and earn money online. And actually you can start a career by selling other stuff like in-game accounts like I did on websites like Player Up, Player Actions. You can even sell Instagram accounts. If you want to learn how to grow them, you can check one of my videos on my channel. I have over 100, maybe 200 Instagram growth videos. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember, this is no financial advice. Results can vary. This is no medical advice. Due diligence. A video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.